Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, this video is related to TCS biggest change in latest news. Okay, तो ये biggest change क्या है, latest news के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. TCS joining के before getting joining later. Okay, you can expect two survey mail. First is for TCS Explorer joining survey confirmation mail, and second mail is do not miss TCS joining readiness survey. So okay, so first of all you are going to receive this mail, and then after you can expect the upper mail. Okay, so this is the first mail and this is the second mail. Okay, I will also going to discuss how to fill this particular survey form step by step. Okay, and also TCS Jun-July' 23 onboarding eligibility criteria change for receiving TCS join letter. Some criteria they have changed. What they changed the criteria I will also going to discuss. So without any further delay, let's begin this video. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe this channel, and for never miss any updates, do hit the bell icon for latest notification also. Okay, so let's start. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग यहाँ पर आप लोगों को फिर देखने को मिल रहा होगा, फिर इस तरह आप लोग को दो मेल देखने को आएंगे. ओके ओके, सो इफ यू आर वेटिंग फॉर TCS joining letter and TCS joining mail, you can expect before two survey. Okay, so first of all you can expect this mail. Okay, TCS joining readiness and confirmation. Okay, so first of all you can expect this mail, and then after you can expect this mail also. Okay, so what do not miss what they mentioned particular mail. Let's see. Okay, this is the three criteria. This is survey to know your readiness to join TCS based on the below criteria. Willing to join any TCS location across India as per the TCS business requirements. Okay, so they will give you a joining location as per their requirement. If you want to joining or Noida, then it's not mandatory. It's not going to be happen that they will give you a same joining location. Okay, they will giving you as per their business requirements. Okay, first criteria. Second, location change request after joining will not be considered. So if you want to change the joining location, then it can't be happen. Third, post joining letter in any schedule candidates will not be considered. So if you want to reschedule your joinings, then it can't be happen. Okay, this is a survey mail. Just click on this and you how to fill. I will go to discuss. Second, TCS Explorer joining confirmation survey. Okay, so this is a second survey mail. Okay, so what they mentioned in particular mail. We are delighted to that you are embarking your career with TCS, and we look forward to joining us per the schedule and mentioned date in your TCS joining letter. To enable smooth onboarding, we request you to take a short survey today. This information request you to hear and required to know your readiness to join TCS on the date mentioned in your joining letter, which is the 8th June. Okay, which is the 8th June. Okay, so most of the candidates got 8th June joining letter for direct joining also, and scheduled candidates also getting a joining date on 8th June. So 8th June, most of the candidates are going to join. I think I already discussed in a previous video that 2600 plus candidates are going to be on board on 8th June from the 23 and 22 batch. Okay, and some of from 2021 batch also going to be on board on 8th June. Okay, so see, I'm taking my pen. Okay, yeah, let's zoom in this one so that I can show you what they mention. As per the new reschedule guidelines, we will not allow any candidate to reschedule the joining date, as we strongly advise you to join TCS on the date specified in your joining letter. Please organize and upload all the document in BGC, ION and portal as soon as. So what is the document upload in BGC and ION? So ION and BGC both are different portal. You have to upload some, I think some police agreement or criminal evidence in ION portal, and BGC you have to upload some document like 8th semester result, 10th 12th. Okay, so this is also mentioned in your joining letter also. Okay, and I already created a separate video for this also. Okay, and to join according to your joining letter, go through the option thoroughly and make your selection as per the corporate. For not joining and residual can request document verification will not be started. Survey will be available till your current joining date. So this survey link is available till 8th of June. Okay, whenever you're joining, before joining date, you can fill this form. Okay, this form is active, otherwise this form is going to be inactive after your joining date. So this is mail for this particular okay, this one TCS confirmation joining. Okay, so let's see how to fill the particular joining form. Okay, first please let us know if you are available and willing to join if the joining letter is issued. Yes, I want to join TCS. Are you fully vaccinated? Yes. Please specify all the documents from the below to you have to upload on next step portal until now please tick all. Just press tick all. Okay, this is the third. And next, please specify whether you are able to produce the urgent document for verification time of joining. Yes, just click on. Do let us know if you are agreed to join the criteria. First criteria is willing to join anywhere location in India, and two is your joining change you cannot be available, and post joining you can't reschedule joining. Okay, yes, I agree. Please let us know if you are available to willing to join the visa joining letter is issued. Yes. Okay, and this is the video where I discuss how to fill the TCS joining to know your readiness. Okay, so if you want to know, watch this video, I will provide this link in my video I button or video description, just to go and watch this TCS joining readiness survey. Okay, TCS joining readiness survey, just to watch this video. Okay, next, this is a portal of TCS physical onboarding community 8th June. So you can see, I think whenever you are going to join this community now, after receiving joining letter, you can see this 2000 plus candidates plus are there. Matlab means these candidates are going to be on board on particular date. Okay, so please remove these two names because this is the admin. Okay, otherwise other candidates are from who is going to be on board on 8th June. Okay, and it's a portal where you can expect, you can check your status also. Okay, so I think that's it for the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Please join my telegram group as per the TCS location wise group. Just join over there and मिलते हैं सुपर में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।